My dear students, in the previous class we were discussing the exercise 2.2. First and the second questions we have completed. Then the third question today we are doing. Verify whether the following are zeros of the polynomials indicated against them. Some polynomials are given. Then you have to find out the value, then check it is a 0 or not. First one is p of x is equal to 3x plus 1, x is equal to minus 1 by 3. Then p of x is equal to 3x plus 1, the given value x is equal to minus 1 by 3. You have to put the value in the x. Then p of minus 1 by 3 is equal to 3x plus 1. Then x is equal to 3 into x is minus 1 by 3 plus 1. Here 3 is cancelled. Then minus 1. Minus 1 plus 1. Minus 1 plus 1, that is equal to 0. Understand? Here p of minus 1 by 3 is equal to 0. So this p of x is equal to 1 by 3. Minus 1 by 3 is a 0 of the polynomial. So first one is a 0 of the polynomial. Minus 1 by 3 is the 0 of the polynomial. 0 of the polynomial. Then the second question is p of x is equal to 5x minus 5. Then x is equal to 4 by 5. You have to substitute the value 4 by 5 in the place of x. Now you find the value p of 4 by 5 is equal to 5 into 4 by 5. 5 into 4 by 5 minus 5. 5 cancel, then 4. 4 minus 5. That is not equal to 0. So that means 4 by 5 is not a 0 of this polynomial. 4 by 5 is not a polynomial. 0 of the polynomial. Okay. It's not a 0. Okay. Next, the third one. P of x. P of x is equal to x squared minus 1. X squared minus 1. Then x is equal to 1 minus 1. The question is p of x is equal to x squared minus 1. Here x is equal to 1 minus 1. You have to put two values 1 and minus 1. First we can find p of 1. P of 1. Then put the value 1 here. 1 square minus 1. 1 square is 1. 1 minus 1. That is 0. So p of 1 is equal to 0. That means x is equal to 1 is a 0 of the polynomial. Next you have to find out p of minus 1, is it 0 or not. You can check. P of minus 1 is equal to minus 1 square minus 1 square. Minus 1 into minus 1, that is 1. 1 into 1, 1, minus into minus, plus. So minus 1 square is 1 itself. So 1 minus 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. So minus 1 is a 0 of the polynomial. Here these two values 1 and minus 1 are the zeros of the polynomial. Okay, then we can write 1 and minus 1 are the zeros of the polynomial. Okay. Then one more question. Okay, next one. P of x is equal to x plus 1 into x minus 2. Put the values minus 1 and 2. First we can put the value minus 1. P of minus 1. P of minus 1 is equal to minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 minus 2. So put here minus 1. Minus 1 plus 1 in the bracket, close the bracket, then minus 1 minus 2. Minus 1 plus 1, that is 0. 0 into minus 1 minus 2, 2 minus sign. So add the numbers 1 and 2, that is 3. Then sign is minus, so minus 3. Minus 3. 0 into minus 3 is 0. So that answer is 0. That means minus 1 is a 0 of the polynomial. Next you have to put the value 2. P of 2. P of 2. 2 plus 1 into 2 minus 2. 2 minus 2 is 0. 0 into 3, that also 0. That means that also 0 of the polynomial. Here minus 1 and 2 are the polynomials. Okay. Then one more question is, fifth one is P of x is equal to x squared is equal to x is equal to 0. P of x is equal to x squared. Put the value x is equal to 0. Then P of 0 is equal to 0 square. That also 0. Then P of x here, x is equal to 0. That is 0 of the polynomial. Okay. Understand? So all of you check the write the questions in the notebook and do it several times. Tomorrow we will meet again.